Hello everyone, this is Anthony, Wall Street Trader's son, and before we get into this video, let's go through the disclaimer real quick. This is not financial advice. The opinion you should follow should be your own and or with a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes and to outline my own personal opinions as well. The intraday updates are on twitter.com, the links below. And to stay up to date with my latest videos, click on that subscribe button. And now into the stock markets with my dad.
Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 11:47 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, June 28th, 2021. Okay, quickly, in at 43.7 cents. That's my average cost basis. I'm in at 100%. Now, just to replenish everyone's memory cells, inner strength multiplied by the benchmark. This is the equation that equates to what is NuCypher in my hometown, USA. Benchmark is also relative to the US dollar. So I have to keep these things consistent. So wherever you are, if you're in the European zone and you want to replace USD with EUR, you would do it here and you would do it here. Anyway, enough of the formalities. The one thing that stays the same no matter what country you're in is the inner strength of NuCypher. So let's recap. NuCypher US dollar is equal to inner strength, which is NuCypher to Bitcoin, or relative strength of NuCypher to Bitcoin, multiplied by the benchmark in US dollars. So let's flip back to the markets because not a whole lot going on. We're still around where we were probably yesterday, maybe a little better. We're over at 24.40 right now on NuCypher US dollars. Excuse me, I was on the wrong slide. But we are starting to see a little sign of life here, and it probably has a little something to do with this. There was a call to talk about staking. Now, it's not exactly my cup of tea, but people who are interested in using this to get inflation off of staking, that's important. So I think this is kind of to help clarify what the inflation might look like between the two pre and post merge. I think right now, just given the fact that they've already said NuCypher and Keep inflation is kind of suspended, doesn't really mean anything's really going on here. But I think it's important to know that there are discussions going on about it. And as soon as this thing's over, started around 11 o'clock today, I'm going to review the tapes, see what happened, what they talked about. I'm sure they will publish this out. They always do. And then we'll be able to get a better view of what's going on there. I don't expect this to be something to move NuCypher imminently, but it's a good and will be a continual discussion. Like I mentioned yesterday, a lot of this inflation discussion will be more of a democratic process throughout a community discussion across all inputs from traders to investors to stakers to technologists to business folks, as well as from the NuCypher's perspective, as well as Keep's perspective as well. Now, on to Bitcoin, nothing going on. So I don't even want to talk about it today. Let's just stay in touch with what's going on with the price action. We have not seen a lot going on with Bitcoin in terms of price action over the last 24 hours. We're around 34,776, but we're still on the high end here since yesterday. So we've been kind of like, since yesterday around 12, we've been around this mark since. And we've been, consolidating, whatever you want to call it. This could be a W pattern, which could come up. I'm hoping it is. We got a few days left before, we exhaust our period of time to make that run, to validate this downward broadening wedge. All right, so let's move into the NuCypher Bitcoin pair. We're at 700. We've been here before. A lot of consolidation going on here, which is very good. It's actually even more compelling the more it consolidates. We've seen consolidations in the past and then whip up from, say, here from 1,000 to 1,260. That's a 25%, 26% move through that consolidation period. Let's see how this thing shapes up. Other consolidation areas, as we see, whip up quick, but sometimes they also can come back down quick. So let's see where this thing resolves and how quickly it will resolve. I fully anticipate we'll be back in this zone in the foreseeable near future, but let's keep our eye on it. Everyone have a good day. Take it easy.